Hi, this is Drew at Headset Advisor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in your Plantronics Savi 8240 wireless headset. So let's dive right into it. Alright, if you look on the 8240 headset, there's going to be a cover here. It's actually the battery. So if you just take your thumb and slide down on the battery, it's going to slide the battery off, and the whole entire thing is a battery. On average, customers replace their battery about every 2 years. So in about 2 years, you'll expect to replace yours. All you do is slide the old battery off, take the new battery, slide it back on. It can only go on one way. It goes into place, and then you'd want to put your headset in the charging base and let it charge. In the description of this video, there's going to be a link to the compatible battery for your Savi 8240. And that's it. This video is simple and straight to the point. If you have any questions, reach out to us here at Headset Advisor. Otherwise, if you wouldn't mind hitting the like, subscribe, and leaving us a comment with your thoughts, we would greatly appreciate that. And thanks for watching this video.